In our first video, we gave you a brief introduction to what I did and how it works. Now, in this video, we want to go on and show you how to move around within the app to help you get the most out of what I did. Navigation within what I did is controlled mainly by the blue date circles at the bottom of the list screen. You tap these to display your items by day, week, month, quarter, and year. You can also swipe back and forth on the screen to go to the next or previous time period. The key to knowing how navigation works in what I did is to understand what we call the reference date. The reference date is the date that the day screen is set to. This governs which time period is displayed when we go to the other screens. For example, because the reference date is currently set to June 24th, 2017, if we go to the month screen, we'll see June of 2017, because that's the month that includes the current reference date. Notice how the reference date does not change when you move between screens. However, if you swipe a screen to go to another time period, it does change to the first date within the time period you swipe to. Let's see how this works. Right now, the reference date is June 24th. But if we go to the month screen and swipe forward to July, then go to the day screen, we see that the reference date is now July 1st. And of course, if I swipe on the day screen to go back to June 24th, each time I swipe, the reference date changes to whatever day I've swiped to. That should give you a basic idea of how to move around within what I did. Now let's look at some shortcuts you can use to get around the app more quickly. First of all, double tapping on a date circle will always take you to the current time period. For example, double tap on the day circle to go to the current day, or double tap on the month circle to go to the current month. Also, if I want to go to the day screen for a particular item when I'm viewing another time period, all I have to do is tap on that item's date square. For example, look at the green date square for Monday, June 5th, next to oil change. If I tap on that square, I go straight to June 5th. And of course, if I want to go to a specific date, I can always just bring up the date picker by tapping on the date at the top of the list screen. And that's what you need to know for moving around within what I did. Again, thank you so much for giving our app a try. We do hope and trust that it will make a real difference in your life.